Did you know the cells in your body depend on electrical signals for movement, thinking, and feeling? Man-made electronic devices such as mobile phones, Wi-Fi routers, computers, and TVs emit constant electromagnetic frequencies, or EMFs, which affect your body's ability to function properly. This is like listening to a dripping tap, experiencing the same frequency over and over again, which agitates the body and may cause fatigue, insomnia, lack of focus, irritation, anxiety, and even depression. Blushield devices emit a symphony of nature-based frequencies that are proven to affect living organisms in beneficial ways. Your body will naturally attune to the healthy Blushield frequencies over the harmful electromagnetic frequencies caused by man-made devices. Think of it like noise-cancelling headphones for EMFs. So, whether you're at home, in the office, or moving around, Blushield has you covered. Blushield, a global leader in EMF protection. For more information, visit www.blushield.co.za.